Good morning from Epcot. There's nobody here.
Yeah, it's good.
So far. It's 7:30 and we are walking in. We just went through security. Food and Wine Fest passport. Is that the fromage montage?
No, that's in the back.
Oh yeah.
I wonder what the wait is.
We're heading on to test track. It's 8:30. Ooh, it's very organized. They've got us following like little tour groups to the attraction. It's funny.
Yeah, brakes are good.
We did our test track. It was a good time.
It was a good time.
Our whole car was having a good time.
Yeah, we all had our hands up, yelling.
Now we are walking to Frozen. We're trying to hit the ones that get the long lines.
3 Caballeros, of course.
Yes, we have to make sure we get to that one first.
Long wait.
Hey, it could be massively busy today, but let me show you the crowd one second. As you can see, it is mobbed.
We're in Mexico. Good time.
We got a Joffrey's coffee. Oh, it's good. Yeah, I've never had one before. I got a caramel iced coffee with just regular cream and sugar. We are in the land, and we were discussing that the Baha Men are coming today.
Haley can't name more than one Baha Men song.
You can't either.
That's not the point. I don't want to go see them.
And I made the point that we're both like 90s babies, and that it's like the anthem of our generation, and Brandon was not impressed by that statement.
It's not. Move It Like This.
They sing that?
Yeah, best years of our lives.
No.
Paula.
Nope.
Who Let the Dogs Out was in their top 5 twice. That tells you how someone's about that. It's number 1 and number 5.
So anyway, they're coming, and I just feel like this is a once in a lifetime opportunity.
They have 2 Who Let the Dog Out albums. Who Let the Dogs Out Speed Up Remix, and Who Let the Dogs Out Regular.
So after this, we are going to be trying to go on Soarin' unless the wait jumps up. There's a lot of people. Okay. Did it jump up?
I'm sure I haven't looked at it.
We're watching a steady stream of people come in. But Living with the Land is always a winner in my book. I could stay on that ride all day. It calms me.
It is a nice ride.
We're going to do one of the 2. We just haven't figured out which one yet. So stay tuned.
Only then will we truly be living with the land.
We got the Liege waffle from Connections Eatery, right? Connections Eatery, not cafe. Okay. Because the cafe is the Starbucks.
Cafe is the
Got it. Okay, so this was $5.49.
A little bit of strawberry, a little bit of whipped cream.
A whipped cream is like attacking you. Good?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna eat this and then we're gonna head to the countries and start our drinking.
Yep.
I got the Fiesta. That's a lot of tequila.
I got the strawberry.
I got the Fiesta. It's very strong. We're gonna go in the pavilion, I think, because it do be hot.
It is very hot. There's no air breeze right through here.
No,
There's a
it's
steady
nice
breeze
elsewhere.
in most of the park, but here it's very stark.
No matter where he goes, we're always together.
$12.95 for some nunchucks.
Good to know.
A couple different colors.
What is that? Oh, it's a shield. You need that. No, put the nunchucks down. Now you've completed it. Got it. Okay.
And complete ensemble for this is not priced.
Yeah, it is. It's on the. Oh no, that's
This is $9.
$9.
I
Okay.
have a sweet hat for $9, but this hat looks cool.
Those are $21.95. That seems like it would keep you extremely cool, though. He's cute. Is that a flamingo? He's like a Muppet version of a flamingo. We're in line at the Alps for their booth.
Warm raclette cheese on this nice cool day.
Toasty. What do we think?
Warm raclette cheese is pretty good. I like the ham more than the potatoes.
Yeah, I like the cheese part. I don't love the potatoes. I think they need like a seasoning.
Yeah, the potatoes are kind of bland.
Yeah, but pretty good. Pretty
Well
good.
cooked. Like,
Yeah,
they're
no,
nice
they're
and
really,
soft
yeah, they're
and
good.
They're chewy.
The
they're
baguette's
good.
okay.
Yeah, the baguette again is
Oh.
pretty plain.
Yeah, but
Tastes very bland bread.
the cheese is good.
Oh yeah.
Sitting mode. This is Brandon's new shirt that he just got.
Yep. Wardrobe change.
I like it. So we are at Regal Eagle and we got loaded burnt end fries with mac and cheese, burnt ends, and fries, and then onion rings, which Brandon doesn't eat, so I'll eat those. And I don't eat the burnt ends, so he'll eat those.
Yep.
And water. We got water because it's damn hot.
Freaking hot.
And after this, Brandon is going to go on Guardian.
Yeah, hopefully.
I'm not gonna go on Guardian. Brandon. Although I am gonna go through the queue, I think. I'll just have to ask them where the chicken door is at the end. So we're in the American Pavilion now.
Yep.
We're gonna go watch the show.
The Great American Adventure.
We've never seen the show, I don't think.
No.
And then Brandon is supposed to ride Guardians, so we're just
Waiting.
waiting and cooling down. It's
Very hot. Sticky.
The fries were very good.
Burnt and fried success.
And I think they're a specialty item right now, but if they're coming here soon.
Recommend. Regal
Really
Eagle.
good. Yeah, Regal Eagle. They were like $12. Brandon likes Guardians.
It was amazing. What a great ride.
Now we're on
If you don't
Space
get motion sick, do that ride.
I do, so I didn't do that ride.
If you get motion sick, be very cautious.
Now we're on Spaceship Earth. We're going up. There we are up there. Yep.
Terrible. No, it's delicious.
Moonshine sours and water. And the Baha Men are singing It's a Small World in the background. All right, we got the Brazilian cheese bread. It looks really good. All right, go ahead and try yours. Done? I just wanted to come on real quick and make a quick amendment of this review here because at first bite we both really enjoyed this, but after chewing it for a few moments after the fact, we both agreed that the texture of this was super duper weird. It was almost gelatinous, and that sounds super weird, but it was like a slimy gelatin cheese on the inside, and I am convinced that this is not what it was supposed to be like, because everything I'm reading online said this was supposed to be light and airy, and that is not what ours was. So we're starting to think that maybe the cheese was congealed on the inside, and that's why we got such a weird texture to this. Neither of us were very happy with it though, and we did not finish it. So I just wanted to come on and let you guys know that, and let me know in the comments if you've had this and had a different experience with the texture, because we were very thrown off by this.
Doesn't even taste like bread.
Just tastes like cheese.
All
right.
A big ball of cheese.
Oh my god. That's delicious. We should have got 2 orders of that. But it's $5. It is just cheese. So we're not gonna do Remy right now. It's 85
wait.
And if you guys watched our last vlog, you know how I feel about that ride.
It's alright.
It's like maybe a 45-minute wait max.
I agree.
Realistically 30. It's just not as, it's not my favorite.
It's not Mickey and Minnie's.
No, so, where are we going? We're going through the rest of this pavilion, and then we're gonna go to UK, and then like into the Ireland booth to get chocolate cake. And then we're gonna go get soup.
Yeah, on a nice hot day.
It's cheddar bacon soup though, we can't pass that up.
Classic.
Classic. Okay, so we got the bacon cheddar soup and comes with some pretzel bread in Canada, and it smells amazing. Yeah, just waiting for Brandon. He's getting some Ottawa apples. It's getting dark. The soup is delicious.
Yeah, cheddar bacon soup, Canada, amazing.
It's super good. It's very salty, be warned.
Don't eat it on a hot day. I
No,
can see it being
it's
very
warm.
difficult on a hot day. Try to save it for the end of the day or first thing in the morning.
It's really good though. Very salty, be warned about that.
Goes
then-
good with the Ottawa apple.
Yeah, highly recommend this always. Best, well, one of the best drinks in the showcase, easily. After this, we are going to go over to Figment, because we haven't done Figment yet, and then we're going to assess the wait time on Soarin', maybe do Soarin' a second time, and then try to find a spot for Epcot Forever. But to be completely honest, Brandon and I don't care about it, and so we'll see. We'll see if we even make it to the show. It depends.
I'd rather go home and go to bed.
Brandon's tired. I'm also tired, but Brandon's more tired than me, I think. It's because you're almost 30.
Is that what it is?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I still have a few months.
On your tour, you'll see
We're
how
alone
the
on
human
Figment.
senses can help
All by
capture
ourselves.
your
All the
imagination.
vehicles are empty.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not.
With just a spark of inspiration, I made my house an innovation. A dream, a dream, a dream, a dream come true. With just a spark from me and you.
One little spark of inspiration is at the heart of all creation, right at the start of everything. One little spark.
Alright guys, I just wanted to close out Epcot's vlog real quick. We are headed to Magic Kingdom today, so make sure you check out that vlog. It's coming out very soon. We ended up not leaving Epcot as we originally planned yesterday. We were going to go to the boardwalk and ended up just spending the whole day there, and I realized that, and we did never like explain, but our day kind of like got away from us because Brandon's Guardians of the Galaxy queue spot ended up being much later in the day than we expected. He didn't actually go on the ride until like 3:30 in the afternoon, which we were thinking it was going to be in the morning, so they got a little bit finagled, like we had to change some stuff, but overall it was an awesome day. If you like our content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more as we have one more day to go. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.